In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional-looking Gmail signature right from the comfort of Google Docs. This tool is more powerful than you might think when it comes to crafting a signature that not only looks great, but is also functional. So, let's dive in and take this step by step. First, open Google Docs in your browser. Once you're there, you'll want to start a new document. Just hit that big plus button for a blank page, and you're ready to start designing. Think of this document as your blank canvas where you can freely create. Start by deciding what information you'd like to include in your signature. Typically, a good email signature includes your full name, job title, the company you represent, phone number, and perhaps social media links. As you type these in, remember that readability is key, so choose a font that's both professional and easy to read. Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman are all solid choices. Spacing is equally important. To ensure your signature doesn't look too crowded or too sparse, use the line spacing tool to give your text some breathing room. Clicking on Format in the top menu, then Line Spacing gives you a drop-down menu to tweak this to your liking. Experiment until you find a balance that feels right. Generally, 1.15 or 1.5 line spacing provides a nice, clean look. Next, consider adding a pop of color or some branding elements. Head to Insert in the menu and choose Drawing. Here, you can add a logo or any other image that represents your brand. Make sure the image size and placement don't overpower the text. You want the signature to be attractive, not overwhelming. Inserting links can also be quite beneficial. Think about linking your company's website or your LinkedIn profile. To do this, highlight the text you wish to link, right-click and select Link. A small window pops up where you can paste the URL. This step is great for engaging recipients and is particularly useful for professional networking. Once you're happy with your signature, it's time to save it in a format that Gmail can easily read. Highlight your entire signature and then right-click to copy. Alternatively, you can use the Ctrl+C command on your keyboard. Open Gmail and head to the Settings menu. It's the gear icon in the top right corner. In the General tab, scroll until you see the Signature section. Click inside the box, then paste your beautifully crafted signature there. Finally, scroll down and hit Save Changes. There you have it, a professional-looking email signature done entirely in Google Docs. This approach not only makes your emails stand out, but also adds a personal touch that others will surely notice. Thanks for watching.